Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Chemistry by Provin. So today we are going to discuss about the topic is called as a how to calculate the dipole moment in a organic molecules, organic compounds, how to calculate. So there are some steps involved. The steps are tricks that will help us to identify the dipole moment, which molecule having the dipole moment. So first one thing is you have to remember dipole moment mu is directly proportional to the difference in the electron negativity. So in a given molecule, electronegativity difference is more, automatically they are having the more dipole moment will be there. So in this only second step I am covering homoatomic molecule. Homoatomic molecule dipole moment will be 0, maybe 0. For example, if you see CCl4 CH4 dipole moment will be 0. No need to draw the structures also. So this is the one. So for this one we can take the some example you can take. So CH2Cl2 CHCl3 CCl4 among the following which has the more dipole moment. So among the following which has the more dipole moment. So for this you have to draw the structures. So in organic molecule you have to draw the structures you have to draw. So hydrogens, chlorine, hydrogens, chlorine, all are having tetrahedral structures only. Hydrogens, chlorine, chlorine, chlorine. So what is our step 1? Electron negativity difference. The electron negativity difference is more, automatically dipole moment will be more. So carbon having the more electron negativity compared to the hydrogen, so the bond moment towards the carbon. But chlorine more electron negativity than the carbon. When compared to the chlorine, carbon having the more electron negativity. That's why bond moment should be towards the chlorine. So see, all are having the irregular more charge distributions will be there. So different directions they are having. So mu not equal to 0. Here you can see chlorine having the more electron negative. So electron cloud towards the chlorine. Here also electron cloud towards the chlorine. So opposite direction they are there. So dipole moment will be cancelled with each other. But here in this case it is not cancelled with each other. To top to bottom it is cancelled. Vertically it is cancelled. But horizontally it is not cancelled. Of course, so mu not equal to 0. I said that homoatomic molecule mu is equal to 0. So in these two, which is having the more dipole moment? Of course, here it is having the less dipole moment because opposite directions will be there. It will cancel the dipole moment. So for example, this is the structure 1, right? CH2 Cl2 having the more dipole moment followed by the CHCl3 and CCl4. CCl4 having the less dipole moment, CHCl3 having the more dipole moment than the CCl4. Highest dipole moment is CH2 Cl2 will be there. Two steps we have covered. So third step is bond angle. So dipole moment indirectly proportional to the bond angle. Bond angle is more, dipole moment will be less. Now we can see the few example we can see based on this. So one is methyl group on benzene. Second one is disubstituted chlorine ortho meta para position. So next one you can see para position. So out of these four, which is having the more dipole moment? So give name. First one, second one, third, and fourth one it will be there. See, methyl group is a electron donating group. So it will releases the electrons on benzene ring. So of course it mu not equal to 0. It will be like a 180 degree. Mu not equal to 0. So here also you can see the bond angle, bond length is very less. Bond angle is less than the 90 degrees. Less than the 90 degrees. So mu not equal to 0. So here also, but it is the bond angle is 90 degree is there. Of course it is also mu not equal to 0. Here you can see this is the upward directions. Chlorine electron cloud towards the chlorine. Here also electron cloud towards the chlorine. Opposite directions will be there. So mu is equal to 0. So by this we can say that Fourth one having the least dipole moment is having. So fourth one having the least dipole moment. So next, which among these three, which is having the less dipole moment? This one, first one having the less dipole moment, followed by the third one. So second one having the highest dipole moment is having. That's why we say dipole moment indirectly proportional to the bond angle. So third step, you can see the what will be the dipole moment in the cis and trans. So generally trans maybe dipole moment will be 0. So now you can see the following example. Among the following, which has the 0 dipole moment. So now you can see C2H5, C2H5, same side, but H hydrogen, hydrogen. So this is a cis, mu not equal to 0. Same side is there, opposite side is there, then only it will be cancelled with each other. So C2H5, opposite side C2H5 is there. So they will cancel. But what happened, you can see hydrogen, this side hydrogen is there. Irrespective of C2H5, okay, but see this side hydrogen is there, chlorine is there. So mu not equal to 0. So here you can see hydrogen, hydrogen. Here methyl group, here methyl, trans isomers. So mu is equal to 0. Opposite direction should be there, same group, then only we can cancel with each other. So now we can see, already we discussed about the disubstituted the benzene we discussed. Suppose if it is having the disubstituted benzene having the different groups they are having, this means different nature they are having. So what will be the dipole moment? So for example, disubstituted benzene is there. In the disubstituted benzene, so same nature group is, this means same atoms, same nature, same molecule, same nature, different nature is present. So same nature in the sense, are those having meta and para having the least. Here it is different case, para, here it is the opposite case. You have to remember, same type of same nature groups are presented, substitution groups are same, substitution groups are different. You can go with one. Next one, now we discuss the same nature of the groups are presented, but in this case what happen if lone pairs are present? That is also we have to see. So for example, if you see here OH, here you can see OH, here example you can see chlorine, here also you can see the chlorine. We know that similar type of the group will be there, so opposite directions will be there, is a vector quantity, so they are cancelled with each other. So dipole moment mu is equal to 0 here, here also mu is equal to 0, we can say that. But it is the wrong, it is mu not equal to 0. Why? Because on the oxygen lone pairs are present, due to the lone pairs charge, the molecule will become a dipole, will have a dipole moment. Now you can see another example, methyl fluoride, methyl bromide, methyl chloride, methyl iodide. Among the following, which has the highest dipole moment, which has the least dipole moment. So increasing order of the dipole moment we can write. So now we can say that more electronegativity, automatically they are having the more dipole moment. So methyl group to methyl group, I am not writing the methyl group because all are having the towards the fluorine here, towards the bromine, towards the chlorine, towards the iodine. Just I am writing. So generally what we think, fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. But this order is wrong. Correct order is methyl chloride, bromide and iodine. Why? Because if you see, of course it is having the more electronegativity, it is having the more electron affinity, it is having the small size, so bond length also will be like a small bond length will be there due to the small size. That's why methyl chloride having the highest dipole moment, it is having highest dipole moment. Alkanes, unbranched hydrocarbons, they are having the dipole moment or not having the dipole moment. So you can see alkanes and unbranched hydrocarbons having the maybe zero dipole moment. So for example, if you see CH3, CH2, CH3, mu is equal 0. Mu is equal 0 because electrons are equally distributed in this molecule. That you have to remember. So these are the some of the tricks to remember the identify the dipole moment in organic chemistry, organic compound. So thank you for watching the video. If you are watching the first time, please subscribe to my channel.